Welcome, student of Standard 9 English Medium. In Unit 1, we are just going to write a letter. How to write a letter? And we have some sample here. So, let us first of all know that how we have to write down the letter and what we actually need to write a letter. First thing that we should have our own address, particular address with a pin code number, because sender will send us things or whatever you want to buy. So our address must be perfect. Not only that, but to whom you are going to write a letter, that address should be particular, exact. Here, how to write a letter? They ask us, question is, write a letter to the publisher Mindframe Private Limited requesting that a set be sent to you by value payable post. Means VPP. What is the meaning of VPP? Means payment will be at the spot. Suppose I can ask you in Hindi, you can understand it easily, कि अगर कोई चीज़ आप खरीदते हैं, वो आदमी आपको घर पे आके देगा और आप घर पे पैसे उसको देंगे, उसको बोलते हैं VPP. तो हमें उसको अपना एड्रेस भी भेजना है ताकि वो भेज सके. And what you actually want to purchase. This is the sample. It is very important. Kindly note it in your notebook. Already I have written this letter for you. Question is only write a letter to publisher Mindframe Private Limited. His address is 1632 Asif Ali Road, New Delhi, and we are going to request him to send a set of books that we already want to purchase. So what we will write in this? First of all, at the top of left we have to write down our own address, right? So suppose our address is 37 Springfield Bungalows, Judge Bungalows Road, Bodka Dev, Ahmedabad. Pin code number is 380054. Date is already here given, so we can write down the date for February 2019, 4/2/2019. We already mentioned our perfect address. Now, this is the time to mention his address. If we want to send a message to New Delhi, so we have to write down 2, The publisher, Mindframe Private Limited, 1632 Asif Ali Road, New Delhi. Now this is the heart of letter. Meaning, what is the main theme? Main theme is, first of all, we can address him like a respected sir, dear madam, whatever that. Here I have mentioned respected sir or madam. We don't know whether he is ladies or a gentleman, so we put both. Respected sir or madam, I want to purchase one set of your new revised volume of Isaac Asimov short story. Please kindly arrange to send one above mentioned address by VPP. Thank you, yours truly. And we have to write down our name. We can write it another way too. Dear sir or madam, whatever that, I am in need to purchase one set of new revised volume of Isaac Asimov short story. Please kindly arrange to send above mentioned set of book on above mentioned address by VPP. Thank you. Here I have mentioned thank you, yours truly, and we have to write down your name. You can change your question or your themes, and you can write another way this letter too. Kindly make a practice of this letter. It is important for you. Okay, till bye, see you.